Hello, sisters and brothers. I am coming to you with another prophetic word from the Most High. This vision is concerning the story of Jezebel. This vision, it was gruesome. So I'm not really going to say what I saw or how I saw it, but there was in the spirit realms that the spirit showed me that there was dogs she was eating, you know. I don't really know how to, but it was just, only thing I'm going to tell you what I saw. People, you know how people just, I did see, it appears that she was like maybe a bride or married or something. Like it was a very white, thin scarf to the left, around the gruesome scene that I saw. So I can't just really I'm not going to just tell everything what I saw because it's very gruesome. And, you know, y'all won't believe that. That's why I say I learned that the Most High is not going to show you things in the spirit realm until he knows that you are ready for these gruesome things that have taken place on the earth, you know. So trust and believe me, you know, you know, it was terrible, but he had to show me because, you know, so I can share what was seen. Yeah. All I'm saying is just take heed to what the Most High is actually trying to reveal in these last days against wickedness. So I don't know which kingdom this may be in, but I just know that this was shown to me. And this is the story of Jezebel.